Hi guys, how y'all doing? Tsahi here. Welcome back to my channel. Back again with another wig review. If you'd like to see how I laid this and what I think about it and my final thoughts, pros and cons, please stay tuned. Hey, so today we're talking about Sensationnel, their Empress lace wig. Let me just give you some specs. They say it's 100% premium fiber, hand tied with a deep part for a more natural shape part. No tape or glue required, but I am going to glue it down. This unit also comes with baby hair. The color is so gorgeous. Sensationnel did a great job. So right now I'm going to try it on. But first, let's just get into the curls. Curls for the girls. I absolutely love the length and the texture of this wig, and it was soft and very light. Alright, the construction. Usual 2 combs in front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. The cap is very stretchy and it's a breathable material, so that's a plus. As you can see, there's lace in front, just the front of the wig. So yeah, I'm trying it on here, and when I tried it on, I realized that it's not, I wouldn't say it's bigger friendly because it fit a bit snug and I did not adjust the straps. And as you can see, that lace did not go all the way down to my ear. That is never really a good sign for persons with heads bigger than 22 inches. Can you already tell that I'm feeling her? Gorgeous. So right now I'm just playing around to see what I can do to finesse her even more. I think this particular unit leaves room for you to basically do whatever you want. So before I get into the pros and cons, let's just take in the install.
Oh, no, 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 no. Hey, hey, I can't come by you. Tirande, there we go. I have to eat some ham for this Christmas, and I'm looking for pastel too. I'm planning to check all of my neighbors. I tell everybody I'm passing through. Jennifer come around, she say boy just come on down, cause she pastel done make and handmade baking. But I is a married man and Jennifer don't understand. She won't give me more than a plate of pork. Well, I want some ham for this Christmas, but I can't come by you, girl, I can't come by you. I want some pastel this Christmas, but I can't come by you, girl, I can't come by you. It don't matter what you do.
They do Corden Bluetooth?
Taboo karaoke.
Yeah, with Corden?
Yeah.
He's singing all the songs, of course.
Yep.
But he kind of had to know everybody's songs if you're doing that.
And RM has to translate for them every time he asks a question.
He's the only one who speaks English?
Yeah. Proper English, fluent.
Oh, wow.
2 bottles of punch a crepe. My wife sending me for death, and she say that it's a black cake, so taste it. When I gone to pick it up, is Jennifer who have a shop, telling me that she want me come inside. Well, I want some
So
black cake
basically, in my opinion, I found it was easier to lay it down by applying the glue, or I should say the adhesive, before cutting it. As you can see now, I'm shaping it to my face because, sis, that was a lot of hair. It is a lot of hair, which I don't mind, but it didn't have any shape.
There is no other season like Christmas. It's the greatest time of the year. Everybody exchanging presents.
So let me get into the pros first. Beautiful color, length, the curls were gorgeous, the texture beautiful, the style itself is very gorgeous, and the curls are light and just pretty, man. The baby hair easy to work with, so that was also a plus for me because I normally don't use the baby hair that comes with units. Right, the cons, that part, and that hairline, no sensational. Come on, pluck it a little bit and open up that part just a little bit more. I will have to do that for the next time I wear this unit, and I'll try wearing it as a middle part. So follow me on Instagram for that update. So yes, this is the finished look. Also it frizzes a bit the more you manipulate it, so you might want to watch that. And here I go, girls. I was ready for the party. I hope you liked this review. Let me know what you think about this unit, and please subscribe if you haven't done so by now. Please click the notification bell, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.
There we go. I have to eat some ham for this Christmas, and I'm looking for pastel too. I'm planning to check all I'm in neighbors.